turn the key on?
Screwdriver?
Yeah, there it is. Way over here. Did you pour some in? How much? I guess you just tell me to stop. Is that good?
Whoa. Put the cardboard on it. Okay. Let's don't do that anymore.
Probably because of this.
Well, you can't just move it like that because you don't know which way you're going. You don't know how much it needs to go. Like I say, it's too much.
Wait. Number 1's right here. Yeah, that's the number 1 wire.
Okay. What's wrong with that?
It's way over here. Isn't that wrong? Does it need to be like right here? Or?
No.
Oh, you don't know?
I don't know. Did we have it up on compression? We need to do all that over again. Get it up on compression stroke. And see where the pointer is on the harmonic balancer. Then we'll see where that is, the rotor is. And then tighten it down. It'll be pretty close. Did you get that on film? That fire?
I think so.
You think so?
Man, I really wanted to hear it. Pum, 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 pum.
It wasn't going to do that without a carburetor, without the timing adjusted, without getting fuel. It'll get there. You can't rush it. Where's your radiator at anyway? Where's that one I thought was it? Is this the shed?
I think it's over here, to be honest. Yep, here's what we think it is. As the things with the fuel.
Yep.
Why does it backfire like that? Is it usually no timing?
Well, yeah, all the air, the engine being cold, and not getting any fuel, and getting spark. We know it's getting spark. I wonder. Let's see, what was that radiator in there? I think it's just two little.
Why? Did you want to just put it in there? Or?
Yeah, not tonight, but you can do it tomorrow, and that way you won't have that, and you can put.
Oh, basically we'll just use it and try again.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try again. I'll get harder. Until after we get that timing a little closer too.
That looks pretty much close to it. Not what I wanted. I wanted it to pum 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 pum. I guess the backfire's better than nothing. Where's the position of the lines? These lines are pretty much. This one would have to be the bottom, and this would have to be the top.
Yeah, probably so.
Oh, is that for the alternator? Hey, you know, I found an alternator in there with a whole bunch of wires still hooked up to it in the shed.
Really?
Yeah, probably would work. Oh yeah, do you want to see the plate? I guess we'll. If we have to take the transmission back out, I guess we'll throw it on.
Yep, Ford Motor Code. Ford Motor Company. Is there any numbers on it?
It's probably the one.
What block did you put it up against?
I put it up against that transmission over there.
Oh. It fit. That's funny.
But that one, this homemade one seemed like it works.
Yeah, it seemed like it worked okay. That's the same thickness too.
Except it's a lot more solid. A lot more sturdy. You want me to dig into the carburetor? Or? What about one of your old racing carburetors? Are those too big for this? Or?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to take it apart for it. Still got some carburetor left?
Yeah. Well, she's kinda, sort of alive. I guess you could say she's sort of, kinda. I guess a pop better than nothing. Poor old Peachy gave us a little cough. Oh, I also found a starter too. Yeah, that's not it. That's way too big.
That's not it.
Maybe a diesel. But yeah, I found a starter here. Actually, I found like two starters, but I also found this one here. Oh yeah, and that alternator's right there. Since it has wires, it might work.
It's too barrel for it. Oh, that's out of aluminum.
I found it right down there below all this stuff.
Yeah.
It's lying down there.
Oh, those pistons you talking about?
No, they're the ones in the shed. Think that alternator works? Probably came out of your last engine. Are these
Yeah, that must come out of that Cleveland, maybe.
Did Jerome give you these?
Oh, is this stuff from Jerome? Yeah, maybe this is Jerome's job. This doesn't look like Jerome's job.
No, that's an eagle rod. That's a nice rod there. That's
That big block?
no, that's small one. I think. I didn't have rods like this from.
Where's that? Oh yeah, here's that engine head. Yep.
Small one. That must be those Cleveland pistons and rods.
I bet that alternator's good. It's all wired.
Yeah. still hooked up to a regulator. That's an oldie.
Are the alternators supposed to sound crunchy? Or are they supposed to spin freely?
Be freely like that one. Hey, it's even got a bracket on it too.
Come on, you big crazy thing. Get out of the way. Good old trash. Here's this one.
Oh yeah, that doesn't sound good at all.
Yeah, there's old,
Got a bearing out.
this old box back here. More modern and more old. Modern and old. I doubt you want to go through all of them.
Looks like the shells are giving in.
There's also this. That's a heater core for a Mustang. Oh, I also found some drills in here. Electric drills. Plug-in electric drills, like little big ones.
They work?
Yeah. One worked. One even has a handle.
Oh.
It worked. Paint. Got some white spray paint. Zigzagger.
Jigsaw.
Probably put a Mustang together. We should try that. We got every part in here. Bumpers, grills, headers.
Yeah, those headers will fit that 69.
Even that white one out there. I think we should put that.
Put the right into it. That Cleveland, they'll put that Cleveland.
Yep. We should definitely get that white Mustang out there to where it's mostly driving and then sell it. That way.
This one's closer to being ready than that one.
Yeah, well, that's just a suggestion.
You leave the lights on?
No. That way you'll be able to get half the stuff in there sold now. What the heck? Piece of wood. You know anyone who can rebuild it, or do we have to get a new one?
Rebuild one.
That radiator?
Yeah, probably will be done.
You know someone who can do that?
I don't know. Might be cheaper just to buy a new one.
If you can find a new one.
Maybe get one from Rock Auto.
We should get on it. Rock Auto and see.
Oh, I brought the flashlight in. Poopy, 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 poopy.
See you guys in the next one. Sorry it didn't run. That'd be a fortune for an old engine. She gave us a cough. Just. She didn't like the gasoline. She spit it out. She did not like that gasoline. She's like, ugh, what are you guys feeding me? This stuff is nasty. She's like, alright, what are you guys feeding me? Spit it out. Poosh. Backfired. That stuff is awful. That stuff is nasty. Why'd you give that to me? Like, what the heck? Come on now. You guys can do better than that. We'll try. Still gotta get that carburetor building. I guess I gotta open it and put in car cleaner. Maybe I'll film that too. Oh yeah, I'm gonna film my truck. Or us putting the truck together slowly. Maybe if I can get that carburetor good enough and blow out all the passageways and put it back together, maybe we can put it on. And maybe we'll try again. Bolt it down. See you guys in the next one.